Good evening, everyone. This is Mantesh from CSE-F. Today, I'm going to share about the why we use English grammar in daily life. So I'm gonna say everything like English is a global language, as we know. Like English plays a valuable role. Like we use prepositions, articles, verbs, nouns, etc. So while talking to everyone, we use these kind of articles and prepositions in daily life. So we, for the abstract for the abstract sentences, we use prepositions and articles, and nouns we use for the particular place of object or any specific name. So these grammars are used for the accurate answers and for the formal actions of uh, uh, for talking to the random people and the higher officials. So English grammar is not a daily basis of language. It is a continuous basis from the global language. So we use this grammar for the specific to outcome more interactive to the people and to our officials, etc. Thank you guys, and my name is Mantesh. 24 KD 1 year 0 is my regarding number. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am from second year CSE-F. Now I am here to give some information on the topic why should students learn grammar. But grammar is a foundation for effective communications. By learning this grammar, we can speak effectively and we can write. We can improve our writing and speaking skills also. Grammar enhances us to understand and to be understood others also. But it helps us to framing the correct sentences. With using this grammar, we can communicate with others more effectively. Like some higher officials, we can communicate without any mistakes by learning this grammar. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Asyamna. I am from CSE-F from Team 1. Today I am here to share why we need to learn grammar. Because grammar and vocabulary, by learning grammar and vocabulary, we can effectively speak with others and we can convey our message to anyone. Grammar plays a crucial role by in speaking and learning activities and for clear speaking and clear transforming our messages to anyone. We have to know about grammar and by learning grammar, we can survive anywhere in the world because we can easily communicate with others and we can easily share our feelings to anyone by learning grammar and vocabulary. Thank you.
Hi, hello, good evening to everyone. My name is Magna. I'm from CSE-F section. Today I'm here to discuss what we have done in the ESS lab. So we have discussed that listen to speak activities. So that in that listen to speak activity, we are discussing about a grammar. Why the grammar is important for us? Because grammar is plays a crucial role in English for enhances the communication and punctuations. Because of all these, the English is by using these punctuations and effective communication. So in this we are also do master in English language. So the English is very important, and the grammar and the combination of grammar and vocabulary is very important because by the combination of these we can do the masters in English. And um, so these are all the parts we have discussed in that. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Tejaswari from CSE-F section. Today I'm talking about grammar and vocabulary. Grammar and vocabulary is very important. This was a learn about so many words and combine the sentences also. Uh, Understanding combining sentences part of the so many types. There are verb, noun, adjective, and adverb. These are all overall combine the sentences formation will use, and also parts of speech also we can understand the grammar to combine sentences. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Asanta. I am from CSF. I am here to tell about LS activity. In LS activity, we learn about grammar and vocabulary. In grammar and vocabulary is main important thing. In grammar and vocabulary, the main thing is understand sentence composition. In understand sentence composition, have different parts. In that parts, the main four parts of speeches are noun, verb, adverb, and adjective. We learn we learn these four and maintain a perfect sentence for understanding the composition and meaningful sentence. And my real life example is I am very poor in English grammar. After watching this video, I am very I am very and little bit strongly believe about my communication and speaking. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sahiti. I'm from CSCF. Today, I'm here to speak about LS activity as a part of ES course. Firstly, the topic is about the grammar and vocabulary, and And we have in this topic we are learning about the importance of grammar. Sentence composition is very important. In that we have about noun, adverb, adjective, and verb. And from this activity I have learned about the importance of grammar and vocabulary. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Shivadheeraj from CSE-F and my registration number is 24KD1805X9. Today I am going to share my reflection on the video we saw today. It's on grammar, learning and vocabulary. Simply we can say that learning grammar is not that easy, and if anyone says that grammar and vocabulary learning is easy, they're absolutely wrong. If learning grammar, it should be simultaneous with learning vocabulary. It should go smoothly. If we want to learn grammar, we need to learn about verbs, adverbs, adjectives, and pronouns, and so many different kinds of things like articles and so on. And my reflection says that learning grammar helps us to uh, give an effective and efficient way while speaking with the higher officials, and we can consistently be confident without getting any distractions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is CH-1 and my registration number is 24KD1805X4. Now I am going to share my reflection about earlier video that was I watched about grammar and vocabulary. It was clear and easy to understand. The aim of the video is to how we have to learn the grammar and vocabulary in an effective and efficient way. Real time in this video, we have learned about parts of speech. There are four main parts of speech are verb, adjective, noun, adverb. For example, in a in an adjective, example beautiful, it is used in a different ways in a different conversations. And suggestion, I want to give a suggestion that in this video, if they share multiple examples, so that we can learn by practicing this by watching the videos. And I'm concluding that this video is a very useful to learn about grammar and vocabulary in a simple and easy way, and it is useful to everyone. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ashita from CSE-F, bearing registration number 24KD1805X3. So today I want to share my reflection on the video I have watched while grammar and vocabulary. So the main motto of the video was to improve our comment on vocabulary by enhancing the grammar rules. So learning in grammar, a single word like play can be used both as noun and verb. So it can change depending on the sentence. So learning grammar with grammar and vocabulary should learn together, and um, by having small quizzes and practical tips and interactive activities can help a learner to learn efficiently. In my opinion, by including this, we can learn grammar in an easy and efficient way. So a grammar and vocabulary can help to communicate better. In my schooling, we used to learn like tenses. In grammar, we have tenses and many more. So in tenses, our teacher used to give a tense, and we used to give examples like competitive. So we used to learn, and teacher used to correct our mistakes. So it will be fun. We used to be fun in doing this. So learning by this way, we can enhance our grammar and vocabulary and improve our communication better and proficiently. Thank you.
My name is S. Ramakrishna. I am from CSE-F. I do a reflection video from the from the, from the lab. Easy way to learning grammar and vocabulary. Mm, Grammar and vocabulary is helps to communication, job purpose, and understanding. Mm, the main motto of the grammar is articles, prepositions, sentence sequence, sentence sequence, and and vocabulary is important for job purpose, communication, and commun- communication. Thank you.
Good morning, good evening, everyone. My name is Sheikh Shajid from CSE-F. Today, at last, I listened some video from how to improve our grammar skills and how to improve our vocabulary skills. To to improve our grammar skills, we have to learn more examples and practice some sentences for like real time example that in our childhood we use the grammar like I want to go to school, I want to go. That's it. To improve this language, we have to practice more languages, more grammar examples and vocabulary examples, and we have to practice some sentences and we have to written some sentences and create some sentences. Suggestions, suggestion, conclusion to have to want to improve our skills and skills we have to use more videos and saw more videos it is helps to improve our languages and grammar skills. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashka Shahid. I am from CSCF Team 1 English. Today, our topic is Listen to Speak activity. To improve grammar, grammar contains parts of speech and tenses. Easy way to learn grammar and vocabulary both combined to form a sentence. And single grammar and vocabulary we both not contain the sentence. Grammar and vocabulary both contain will form a sentence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Arif. I am from CSE-F. This is a reflection of the activity where we saw a video of how to learn grammar easily and efficiently. First of all, before learning the grammar, you have to know that how to understand the structure of the sentence, and we have to combine the grammar with the vocabulary for forming a sentence in an accurate manner. So we have to learn grammar combined with vocabulary to form a good sentence. Before we learn only grammar and leaving the vocabulary. This is not correct. We have to learn both and we can form a sentence. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gnanesh from CSE-F. I'm here to describe about how to learn grammar, English vocabulary very easily and effectively. We have to learn English very easily by using grammar and vocabulary. Together, we can learn English very easily. We can in the grammar we have to learn tenses, parts of speeches, articles, everything. So we can learn English very easily, effectively. Thank you.
To learn grammar effectively and efficiently, to follow some tips. Start with basics. Learn sentence structures and tenses and parts of speeches and understand the grammar rules. Understand the grammar rules with the real life examples and don't try to memorize the all grammar rules in one day. And daily read books, articles, and small stories, and check out and find out the mistakes, what mistakes are doing yesterday, and improve your mistakes for tomorrow. And finally, I conclude that every day, daily, even every day, daily speak daily small conversations for improving grammar naturally. Thank you.
Mani- Uh, Hello everybody, this is Arya from CSE-F section. So today I am going to talk about how can we learn grammar very effectively. So first of all, I want to make you understand that less is more. If how less you learn, that much you can learn. That high amount of topics and high amount of knowledge you can gain. So next one is after learning you should do some practices like with ChatGPT and with other apps and sources. So for learning English grammar, there are four main topics like a noun, adverb, adjective, and the preposition and conjunctions. So by using this, you can know the correct form of sentence and structures about how can a sentence can be formed. Thank you. Understand this?